Hey, what's up everybody? So this video is going to be a little bit different than the other content I've been putting out, but I've been just making videos on stuff that I find that's interesting, and hopefully you find it interesting too. So it's like my first video on a cryptocurrency. So I've been like getting really into cryptocurrency and investing what I can, what is safe for me to put in. And always, guys, I on all these videos, I guess I say like, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so there's that. So there's Dexioprotocol. I researched this. I found it like over the summer, and I put some money into it. And they are having a pre-sale right now for DexiGas, which is there's like a Dexi token, and then there's DexiGas. And for all the details of it, I'm gonna put the links down below for like their white paper. And I'm gonna see if I can get you the link to the pre-sale if you're interested in investing in it. I did, and I think it's gonna be a really great project. Like, it's gonna, if you know what Pokemon Go is, or if you ever heard of Pokemon Go, it reminds me a lot of Pokemon Go, of like their Dexi Hunter app that they're gonna come out with. It looks awesome. So like basically you go around and you scan items, you collect them, and like the possibilities are kind of like endless on business, like advertisement and stuff like that. And you basically like go around and collect crypto, like you would like collecting Pokemon. Like that's what I connected it with. But here's some of the information. I'm gonna get those links down there for you. And if you're interested, go ahead and invest, because I did. And I really think like in probably a year or two, I might be retiring off of this. So if I start getting some crazy cars and start doing some really crazy content for you guys, you know that my Dexio went through the roof. But this is just a quick video letting you know what's out there. Definitely jump on it if you have some extra cash, for sure. But I'm not a financial advisor, but just saying.